I am absolutely blown over what this so-called trucker is about to do. Stupid truck! Why? What was the point of this? It's late at night. He would have had plenty of time to wait. Plus, he didn't even have far to go. There's just no reason to do this at all. I don't know what is it about the Midwest that drives these truckers so stupid.
God, it's brutal out here.
And that is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Here's a preview of the next episode. And we're nearing the halfway point of 2022. Time is starting to run out for you to change your driving habits.